Oh, morning, it's Stack Smart here again, and yeah, welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, here's 3 great reasons to subscribe. The first reason is that I regularly get the price action in the silver and gold markets correct. For example, this last video that I did on the 15th of November said that silver would see further downside ahead to $14, and as we've seen in the last few days, we've almost touched $14 here, and on a regular basis I call the market correct. No one can be 100% perfect on market calls, but over the last couple of years I think I've proved that I can call the market fairly regular. That's the first reason to subscribe. The second reason to subscribe is that oftentimes I'm finding deals in the marketplace where you're getting a fantastic deal. For example, these 2010 koalas we found last time at £15 in the UK, which is a fantastic deal on a 5-year-old coin. And thirdly, I do some fantastic unboxings. So this one here, if you get a chance, this is my elephant and monkey unboxing. I give really good detailed information about coin series. I've given some fantastic information there about the elephants, and I do show some very good coins. So there's 3 great reasons to subscribe the channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'm trying to get up to 1,500 subscribers by Christmas, so it'd really help me out if you could subscribe the channel, and I'll really try and show you the best deals in the market, what the price action of silver is going to do, and some top tips for the coins that I think are the best semi-numismatic choices in the market. So if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button below the video, and I'll give you that weekly input to help you stack smart, stack silver better. If you haven't gone through my back catalogue, there's quite a lot of information there about avoiding fakes, about the numerous series, how to make better money on semi-numismatic coins, what is a semi-numismatic coin, and how to make the best of your silver investments over time. So there's loads of information on the channel about that, and obviously if you subscribe, it will give you that back list of all the things that we're looking at. So if you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe below. I'm trying to get up to 1,500 by Christmas. I'm going to talk you through a little bit of what happened over the last couple of weeks. I said when the price was up here at $15, I said it would hit this box, and then it would test these 3 levels of support: 14.4, 14.3 and then 14. Now we're at a critical time in the silver market at the moment where we're testing this $14 mark, and if this $14 mark is breached, let's have a look at what the next support line is underneath $14. So as you can see, it would be the lowest one in the weekly spread. Let's have a look at the monthly spread. Okay, so the last time it went below $14, there was a support line here. Let's draw that in for you. So the next support line here is 12.67 underneath 14, and then we've got another line here at 11.867. Now it's interesting to note that silver generally follows round number support lines. So let's draw those in. So what the support's been, so we've got 8.83, 11.86 and 12.67 are the support lines underneath, but we've not seen that since. This is going to be the lowest we've seen since like the end of 2009. So this is a significant time in silver history, really. So let's drill back into what we're looking at the moment. Okay, so this $14 support line is really heavy support for silver. If this is breached, then we could see, a real tumble in the silver price. It's difficult to know where it goes to. Alternatively, this could just be the turning point in the market. It's going to be supported by this $14 mark and then return back, and both of those streams are a possibility. It's almost impossible to predict which way this is currently going to go, with it touching the $14 line as I predicted. It's really hard to know which way that this is going to go, so let's get rid of these rising wedge lines that we've drawn in before to show what the next action is, and let's see where we are with this. So over the next week we'll see whether silver is going to bounce off this line or whether we're going to see another breach of the support. So silver has been in quite a long-term macro down pattern. As you can see here, we've just been going down, 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 lower lows all the time, and at the moment it's difficult to see what the next steps for that pattern are. So we're either going to get a very strong rally up similar to this type of shape. So you see here we're getting a very strong rally up from the bottom, and then we normally move $2 or $3 up in those moves, or we're going to see a rising wedge pattern here such as this, where we're fighting the volume that's currently in the market, and then a violent stab below the support line. So it's either going to go like this, which would give us our upside type. Let's say it's going to go to $16 if it does that. Let's put that one in green as a scenario cast if this is going to let me. Okay, so let's stick that in green on a medium line. So it's either going to do that, or it's going to do this type of sideways move and then stab down. So we'll have to see how the market pans out over the next few days. It's almost impossible to tell what the current action is. At the moment it's just doing this type of funneling, low volatility type funnel pattern, really not showing anything of what it's doing at the moment. It's just treading water until it decides either to stab down or to rally. So we'll see what it does over the next couple of days. Okay, now as far as buying goes, I'm waiting for the pre-order of the koalas and the pandas. Now the pandas are normally out first week in December. The launch date for the koala is supposed to be very soon. So I haven't bought any of these kookaburras yet, and I do want to buy a few of them to continue with the coins that I've got, but I also want to buy the koalas and the pandas. So I'm waiting for those two coins to appear as well on Silver to Go. There's about 4,000 ish of these kookaburras available. There's 2,000 of the lunar monkeys available. So if you haven't bought any of those yet, I'd be tempted to get in, before the Christmas rush on those. So I'm going to wait. I've got a payday in a week, so I'm going to wait to see whether the koalas and the pandas start the pre-order, and then I'm going to order them together. I'm going to order 5 ounces again this month to add to the stack. And but if you haven't got the kookaburra or the monkeys, then I'd be tempted to buy some of those because they are fantastic coins. And Silver to Go has also got the UK lunar monkey, which I've also purchased, and the elephant. So there's a big choice currently on Silver to Go. All of those coins are very pretty. These 2,000. Let me just show you in new products. You've got the UK lunar monkey, which is really pretty. It's much nicer on the website than it is in person, in my opinion, but it is a very nicely minted coin. They're very nice at £15. A bit of a premium on the Lunar series. Then you've got the Lunar monkeys, 15 quid, 15.65. They're a very pretty coin. Then you've got the kookaburras, as I've shown you before, and then you've got the Somalian 2016 elephant. If you didn't see the unboxing of the elephants that I did the other day, it's probably worth having a look at those. These are very pretty coins. So there's a few picks there for you. Personally, I'm waiting for the pandas and the koalas to be on pre-order in order to put an order in for them together. So I'm hoping that we're going to get something on pre-order coming up very soon on those. If you haven't subscribed the videos and the channel, then please subscribe. I think silver is going to show its hand in the next few days, probably on Monday, as to which way it's going to go. And yeah, subscribe to the channel and let's stack smart together. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.